buy from, every fabric is just filled with toxins, filled with dangerous toxins.
You know, it really is. Like we have if you look at any conventionally processed cotton fabric, some of the chemicals that are residual are polyacryl. That's a urea formaldehyde resin. This is something we studied.
Say that in English.
A bunch of chemicals that you don't want to bring into your home. I mean, really, there's a reason why in the 1940s, breast cancer was a very rare diagnosis. And now one in 11 women will be diagnosed with breast cancer in her life. That's a huge increase.